Good morning, members of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning to you all. I just want to let you know that His Excellency the President, Ratu Epeli Nailatikau, has approved decrees that formally disestablished the Great Council of Chiefs, an institution created by the British during colonialism, and one that in modern times has become politicized to the detriment of Fiji's pursuit of a common and equal citizenry. In other words, I can say it is become irrelevant. The Great Council of Chiefs is a product of our colonial past, and Fiji must now focus on a future in which all Fijians are represented on the same basis. If all Fijians are to have their say during the consultations for Fiji's new constitution, we must ensure every voice is equally heard and equally represented. In 1875, the British, under colonialism, created an elite body of iTaukei chiefs, known as the Native Council, to directly and indirectly implement its rule over Fiji. The members of this body, which later came to be called the Great Council of Chiefs, held certain privileges. Over the last 20 years, the GCC, including its secretariat, became highly politicized, with its members having political affiliations and membership in political parties. Unfortunately, this resulted in the GCC and its members unduly involving themselves in national politics and or taking advantage of the GCC's traditional role to assert personal or political agenda. Ladies and gentlemen, what cannot be denied in this country is that Fiji's Taukei heritage is a distinct and fundamental aspect of Fiji. However, as an institution, the Great Council of Chiefs perpetuated elitism and fed into the divisive politics which plagued our country. We must now look to our commonalities as citizens of the same nation, not to what separates us as individuals or groups. In recent years, my government has done much to ensure that many of the challenges facing the iTaukei have been addressed, including equal distribution of land lease monies. Thank you very much.